stop what you're doing right now, subscribe to the channel, and if you're watching this on Instagram, go like a bunch of photos. Yo, what's good, y'all? Kyrie Luna back. Episode number 4 of Thrifted. My last 2 videos, I visited the first La Pointe, second La Pointe, and I got some cool shit. Hoping to find some cool shit in this third location. I need fire digs. I need fire digs. I need fire digs. Harlem Road, Manhattan. I'm about to head to this third spot. Hopefully we can find some fire digs. Oh shit. Got these 8's. What size are these? Size 9. Too small for me, but $20? Shit. This is fucked up. That's all I got for you guys today. It's episode 4 of Thrifted. That's it. Peace.